So, ganito siya kaliit. Mas malaki pa yung palad ko. So, this time, wala akong gastos kasi yung mga gagamitin ko are things that I already have before. Kumbaga, mga leftover siya ng mga previous project ko. So, I have here some cactus and succulents na natira ko from my previous bigger succulent garden. Tsaka ito, mga miniature items, micro actually, they are like super small items na gagamitin natin na pang decorate. So, let's start! We're finally done making this mini succulent garden. I'm so happy about it. It's very simple. So, yung pot niya galing lang din sa lumang succulents ko na lumaki na, transfer ko, sinave ko lang yung pot. And then again, the rest of the items, mga tira-tira lang ng previous succulent garden and projects ko. As you can see, meron akong space dito para mag-add siya ng growth, para hindi mo siya kailangang i-transfer just after 3 months or 6 months. So, this should last for at least almost a year without having to transfer. So, ayun lang. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Bye!